Today I'm making a ring with a star bead. We're taking 18 gauge wire about 6 to 8 inches. Put your bead on the wire and center it, and then bend the wire in opposite directions at either side of the hole. This bead has a vertical hole. We're going to hold it on the ring mandrel, or you can use a marker or a highlighter for the round form. We're going to wind the wires around and then hold it at the center back, push the wire down, and take your pliers and curve it through the ring. So there, we're going to clip the end flush with our flush cutters and pinch the pokey end in with our flat pliers. Now turn the ring around, hold it in the center back. You can hold it with the flat pliers and wind the end around through the ring to secure in place, and then clip that end with the flush cutters as close as you can get it, and then pinch the pokey end in with your flat nose or chain nose pliers. This ring is somewhat adjustable, and then you can put it on the ring cone or a marker, and there you have your star ring.